call it the AI Momentum Bootcamp, because AI is one of those things, a bit like social media. Once you start, you're not going to be able to stop. But the difference with AI and all those other things is that it is going to carry on without you, whether you want it to or not. That's what we call a momentum, because once we get started, guys, we're just not going to be able to stop with AI. What's the bootcamp, or who's it for? Look, it's for beginners or for enthusiasts. And I want to get all of you, whatever format or whatever kind of stage you're at in your business or in your AI kind of career, I want you to feel as if you're going to be able to master ChatGPT over the next month. In particular, the promise is I will help you build a clone so that it will help you develop your business. And it's going to help you with all the things that you're hoping that it will, such as your social media or answering clients' questions or building documents for your staff or whatever it is.